Students, now we are in tangents and normals level 3. Let us continue the class. Until 17 we completed in previous class. Now we are going to discuss about the formula y square is equal to 4ax and xy is equal to k. Xy equal to k is a rectangular hyperbola and y square is equal to 4x is a parabola or perpendicular. I mean orthogonal. The two curves cuts intersect orthogonally. Then k square is equal to 30 to a power 4 I said. Here he given as xy equal to c square. That implies c power 4 equal to 30 to a power 4. That's all. This is an IMP sum. Next 19th one. If the tangent to the curve 2y cube is equal to ax square plus x cube, tangent to the curve, given curve is equal to, the given curve as 2y cube is equal to ax square plus x cube. Ax square plus x cube at the point a comma a cuts off intercepts alpha and beta on the coordinate axis such that alpha square plus beta square equal to 61. Then what is the value of a? A value we should calculate. He is saying that intercepts on x and y axis are alpha and beta. Now diff both sides you write. Differentiating both sides. You can write here 6y square. 6y square dy by dx. 6y square dy by dx is equal to 2ax plus 3x square. So slope dy by dx, slope I am writing here. Slope dy by dx at a comma a we can write is equal to here 2a into a, 2a square plus 3a square whole by 6a square. Therefore m you can write this one as 5 by 6 because 2a square plus 3a square 5a square by 6a square. Using the value equation of tangent formula y minus a is equal to m into x minus x1. Y minus a is equal to 5 by 6 into x minus a. Let the equation can be written as a given straight line. This one 6y minus 6a is equal to 5x minus 5a. Let the line is 5x minus 6y. Taken this side 5x minus 6y plus a. Okay. Plus a equal to 0. Otherwise minus a taken that side it becomes. Then you can write here x by minus a by 5 plus y by a by 6 equal to 1. This is x-intercept alpha. He given as alpha is equal to, he given the intercept is alpha and x-intercept is alpha and y-intercept is beta. We got here alpha is equal to minus a by 5 and beta is equal to a by 6. Condition I am writing. Condition he given that alpha square plus beta square is equal to 61. Alpha square plus beta square is equal to 61. Alpha square means here a square by 25. Beta square a square by 36 equal to 1. So LCM taken, it becomes here 36 a square plus 25 a square. So take LCM. Take LCM, it becomes 61 a square. Directly I am writing 61 a square equal to 25 into 36. 65 alpha square plus beta square equal to not 1. He given this one as 61. So a square by 25 plus a square by 36 equal to 61. 36 a square. 36 a square plus 25 a square equal to 61. Whole by 25 into 36 I am writing here. 20. This is 61. So 61 a square is equal to 61 into 25 into 36 made. 61 get cancelled. A square is equal to 25 into 36. A is equal to 5 into 6, you write. A is equal to, according to option, plus or minus 30. Because A square is equal to 30, E given as A is equal to plus or minus 30. Next one, 20th question. This is also multi-conceptual question. Depends upon Rolle's theorem, which we are going to be discussing next topic. So, geometrical representation of Rolle's theorem. A comma f of A and B comma f of B are 2 points on any curve. If A comma f of A and this is 20th question. This one. If you put here capital A and capital B points, if you write here A comma f of A and you write here B comma f of B, A comma f of A and B comma f of B are any 2 points on any curve. That is, if AB is a chord, if any tangent drawn at a given point P x1 comma y1, if the tangent and chords are parallel, this is a geometrical representation. If the tangent drawn, then the chord AB is parallel to the given point while calculating the derivative, which follows the Rolle's theorem, geometrical interpretation of Rolle's theorem. So here he did not give about the theorem, but here the same concept we discuss. If the chord joining the points x is equal to P, x is equal to Q. X is equal to P, x is equal to Q. He put here P comma Q. Let us discuss about the curve. Given curve I am writing here. Given curve y is equal to ax square plus bx plus c. A is equal to bx square, y equal to ax square plus bx plus c, parallel to, if the chord, he given the chord, let the chord AB joining the points x equal to p and y equal to q. Whenever he given x is equal to p, we can substitute the value y is equal to ap square plus bp plus c. If x is equal to q, y is equal to aq square plus bq plus c. So the chord formula using this formula f of b minus f of a whole by b minus a, according to Lagrange's mean value theorem or according to Rolle's theorem. F of b minus f of a by b minus a is nothing but y2 minus 1 by x2 minus x1. It's a slope. Slope we indicate with the letter dy by dx at the tangent slope. Find the dy by dx of the given curve and you will be getting the answer. Here ax square plus bx plus c is parallel to tangent drawn to the curve at alpha beta. Drawn to the tangent. Alpha beta the tangent draw chesthe adi the equivalent anadi, then alpha value enta. Okay, y is equal to ax square plus bx plus c. Let a you write, let a x is equal to p, he given. You write here f of p, means this is y of p. Next b you write, b he given as a q. You can write here f of q. So slope we can write here. Slope is equal to, using this formula, f of q minus f of p. F of q minus f of p whole by q minus p. F of q simply substitute the value aq square plus bq plus c minus ap square minus bp minus c whole by q minus p, that is equal to dy by dx. You write dy by dx, that too he given as the particular point alpha comma beta. Now you can write here c and c will be getting cancelled. A taken common, it becomes q square minus p square plus b taken common. Within the brackets you can write here q minus p whole by, this is also q minus p. dy by dx you calculate here, then it becomes 2ax plus b. At alpha beta you substitute 2a alpha plus b simply. Now a into this one q minus p into q plus p, right? Q minus p into q plus p minus plus b into q minus p whole by q minus p, okay, is equal to 2a alpha plus p. So q minus p get cancelled. A into here you get P plus Q plus P is equal to 2A alpha plus B. B and B will be getting cancelled. A also get cancelled. Then simply you write is equal to, you write as alpha is equal to P plus Q by 2. Correct. Same question you will be learning in next topic. Depends upon Rolle's mean value theorem, Rolle's theorem and Lagrange's mean value theorem. In next topic, same concept you will be learning. So it depends upon tangents and normals. So the question may give in this chapter or that chapter. Such questions are called as multi-conceptual questions. Next, let us discuss about 21 question. Now let us see level 4 20th question. Same question, level 4 no second question, same question, answer alpha equal to P plus Q by 2. So no need to say there. Next, level 4 no third question, area of triangle formed by tangent and normal at 1, 1 of the curve root x plus root 5 equal to 2 and y axis is 1 square unit he given there. Here 21 question, same question. So level 4, this one as level 4 no third question. 20th question, level 4 no second question. So no need to say there. Area of triangle formed by tangent and normal of any curve. Any curve, if any curve you can take area of triangle formed by tangent and normal and y-axis. Tangent to normal is y-axis తీసుకుందాం. ఈ y-axis tangent graph reverse చేద్దాం. Graph reverse చేసుకుంటే this is y-axis, ఒక tangent ఒక normal తీసుకుందాం. This tangent and this is the normal. If the area, ఇంకెలా డ్రా చేయొచ్చు. If the area of triangle, this is area of triangle. If the area of triangle formed by y-axis and tangent and normal, then formula we discussed x1 square by 2 into modulus of m plus 1 by m. Now root x plus root y equal to 2 he given. Curve value, curve he given as root x plus root y is equal to 2. Now differentiating both sides we will be getting root x derivative 1 by 2 root x and root y derivative 1 by 2 root y into internal derivative dy by dx is equal to 0. If you divide with the number 1 by 2, it becomes dy by dx is equal to minus root x by root y. Minus root y by root x. Minus root y by root x. He given the point there. Now you can write here at 1 comma 1. This is 1, this is 1. At 1 comma 1 slope m. At 1 comma 1 slope m equal to minus 1. Slope m equal to minus 1. He is asking the area formed by tangent and normal. What is the value x? 1 comma, this is x1 and this is y1. So area, substitute the formula x1 square by 2, 1 by 2 and minus 1 minus 1. So answer simply 1. Correct. 21 question. Let us discuss about 22nd question. The sum of the length of subtangent and tangent. Length of subtangent and tangent sum find out here. Length of the subtangent and tangent drawn at any point x comma y on the curve y is equal to a log x. Curve y is equal to a log of x square minus a square. Y is equal to a log of x square minus a square. We should calculate length of subtangent and tangent. To find out I am writing. To find out length of subtangent and tangent. Sum of length of subtangent and tangent. Area, sum of lengths of subtangent and tangent drawn at the point. Okay. What is the value of length of subtangent? Formula y1 by m. What is the formula of length of tangent? y1 into root of 1 plus m square whole by m, that is equal to, we can take common here y1 by m, then it becomes 1 plus y1 into root of 1 plus m square into a box. This one we should calculate. Now let it be first equation. If we differentiating one both sides, we will be getting dy by dx. Dy by dx is equal to a into, take care about the derivative, log x derivative 1 by x and internal derivative 2x. So you write here a into 2x, this is 2. A into 2x by x square minus a square. This is the m value. Now we can use this formula. This one we should calculate. So that implies this is a Roman number 1 we put. To find out the Roman number 1, I mean the equation, from 1 we can write y1 means simply y you write. Y by m value, y by m we have taken common, then m by m is this one. So taken reciprocal, it becomes here y into x square minus y square by 2ax I had written. Next question, 1 plus y you can write into root of 1 plus this one m square. M square means you write here 2ax whole square. So 4a square x square by x square minus a square whole square. That implies next step, that is equal to y into x square minus y square. X square minus a square whole by 2ax into 1 plus y into root of, you take this one as LCM, x square minus a square whole square plus 4a square x square whole by x square minus a square whole square you write. You try to understand the formula a minus b whole square plus 4ab can be written as a plus b whole square. So you can write here y into x square minus a square by 2ax into 1 plus y into, this became x square plus a square whole square. So y into, you write here x square plus a square by x square minus a square. Whenever y taken common, you should not write y here. So y1 by m taken common, then again y no need to write. So no need to write here, simply don't write. So now you can write here, that is equal to y into x square minus a square by 2ax into, this one taken this side becomes x square minus a square, and x square plus a square minus a square plus a square will be getting cancelled. You will be getting here 2x square by x square minus a square. X square minus a square will be getting cancelled, 2 get cancelled, x times get cancelled. Now we got the value here, xy by a. So xy by a we got. Therefore now you can write LST plus LT, length of subtangent and length of normal, is equal to some constant k into xy. That if the constant is proportionate constant, then you can say that it varies the value xy. It varies the value xy. Next, 23rd question. 23rd question is somewhat lengthy question. Let us discuss about the question. Data. A curve is given by the equations x is equal to secant square theta and y is equal to cot theta. X is equal to secant square theta. 23rd question. X is equal to secant square theta he given. Secant square theta and y is equal to cot theta. X equal to secant square theta, y is equal to cot theta. If the tangent at P, where theta equal to pi by 4, meets the curve at Q. In the previous diagram, you can draw like this. a tangent P within the bracket pi by 4 you write. A tangent P at theta equal to pi by 4 meets the curve again at Q. If the curve meets again at Q, you should calculate the distance between P and Q. Let it be D, the distance. Simply we got the value, the answer. A curve theta, a curve is given by x equal to secant square, y equal to cot theta, simply he given. If the tangent at P, theta equal to pi by 4. Okay, at theta is equal to pi by 4. If you substitute theta is equal to pi by 4, then x is equal to how much will be getting? Secant square 45. So it is 2. Y is equal to 1. Therefore now you write here P. P ane point 2, 1 ga vachindi. Now you write dy by dx. Now we are doing derivative. Dy by dx is the dy by d theta by dx by d theta parametric differentiation. Dy by d theta is minus cosecant square theta by this one secant square theta derivative 2 secant theta into secant theta internal derivative secant theta tan theta. You can write here 2 secant square theta into tan theta. You substitute the value pi by 4 here also. Yet theta equal to pi by 4, m you write, m slope. What is the value of cosecant 45? Cosecant 45 root 2 square minus 2. Minus 2 by, this is also 2 into secant square 45, 2 and tan 45, 1. 2 and 2 will be getting cancelled. Therefore, m is equal to, we got minus 1 by 2. M is equal to minus 1 by 2 we got. Equation of tangent I am writing here. Equation of tangent. Equation of tangent yet 2, 1 with slope. Equation of tangent at 2, 1 with slope m is equal to minus 1 by 2. So this can be written as y minus 1 is equal to minus 1 by 2 into x minus 2. You can write the equation of tangent 2y minus 2 is equal to minus x plus 2. Minus x taken this side, x plus 2y minus x plus 2y minus 4 equal to 0. Let it be equation 1. If we verify, no need to verify because we should calculate distance. Let the p value, what here we got p value 2, 1. If you substitute 2, 1, 2 plus 2, 4 minus 4, it's okay, it is right. Point is okay, but distance we need. No need to verify any option. So simply we should do. Now we should construct a curve using the given value. We should construct a curve x is equal to secant square theta. Using x and y I am writing, I am constructing a curve. Using x, y, secant square theta and cot theta. And again, once again I am writing here as x is equal to secant square theta and y is equal to 1 by tan theta. We know that the formula 1 plus tan square theta is equal to secant square theta. So 1 plus tan square theta is equal to secant square theta. Using this one, we can say that 1 plus tan square theta. Tan square theta means 1 by y. So he can write here x is equal to 1 plus 1 by y square. Whenever 1 plus 1 by y square, we got the curve. Just we constructed the curve. Now x is equal to, if we put the value x is equal to 2 here, if we put the value x is equal to 2 here, it becomes y square plus x is equal to secant square theta 1 plus tan square theta, we got x is equal to 1 plus y square. Constructing the curve. 2 is equal to y square plus 1. Y square plus 1, y and y will be getting 1 and 1. There will be no change. So no change. So to construct once again the curve we should construct into terms of x or y. You substitute this value in 1. So from 1 you write. From 1. X place lo write 1 plus 1 by y square, 1 plus 1 by y square plus 2y minus 4 equal to 0. Next one, 1 by y square, 1 by y square plus 2y minus 3 you write. It becomes 2y cube, 2y cube minus 3y square plus 1 equal to 0. We got 2y cube. We got the cubic equation here. Now if you write, if put y is equal to 1, 2 minus 3 plus 1, 0. 2 minus 3 plus 1 equal to 0. So here this equation satisfied depends upon the chapter theory of equations in 2a topic. So by whenever y is equal to 1, we can say that to find the other roots, Horner synthetic division method we should use. Horner synthetic division method. Horner synthetic division method, I think you learnt in mathematical induction chapter. So whenever 1 is a root, you put here. Here 1 you put. 2 you write. Minus 3. If the term is absent, you put here 0. Because y cube, later y square, later y, later constant should be there. So 1. If it is absent, you put 0 here. You add like this 2. 2 ones are 2. This is minus 1. This is minus 1. This is minus 1. Minus 1, minus 1, 0. It becomes 0. Now, this expression became as 2y square. Y cube expression, whenever we divided it, y is equal to 1. This became 2y square minus y minus 1 equal to 0. If 2y square, this can be written as minus 2y plus y minus 1 equal to 0. If you take 2y common, y minus 1, and you take plus 1 common, y minus 1 equal to 0. So y is equal to minus 1 by 2 and y is equal to 1 we got. Whenever y is equal to minus 1 by 2, using this one, x is equal to, let the equation is 2. From 2 you write here. From 2, x is equal to 1 plus 1 by y square, 1 plus 1 by 4, 1 plus 1 by 1 by 4 becomes 5, and y is equal to 1 plus 1 by 1, y is equal to 2. Therefore points you write here, points q, let the point q, p already he given, let the point q is 5 comma minus 1 by 2, and another point p 5, x value here, x value 2 comma 1, using this one also q. If we use here 5 comma minus 1 by 2, 5 comma minus 1 by 2, the distance d is equal to. Now you can verify using PQ distance root of using like this. 5 minus 2 whole square. 5 minus 2 whole square plus of minus 1 by 2 minus 1 whole square. Distance between 2 points of formula I am writing. Minus 1 by 2 minus 1 whole square. 5 minus 2 whole square 9 plus minus 1 by 2 minus 1 minus 3 by 2 whole square 9 by 16 over root 16. Sorry, direct I written 3 by 4. 9 by 4. 4 9 are 36, 36 9 45. 45 means 3 root 5 by 2. 3 root 5 by 2 he given the option. 3 root 5 by 2 option, second option. అట్లా కాకుండా ఈ నంబర్ పెట్టి కూడా చూడొచ్చు. 2 కామా 1, q is equal to 2 comma 1, no need, because already q 2 comma 1 we got. So don't take this. This is no. Q is equal to 5 comma minus 1 by 2 only you take. Level 3 complete చేసాము. Level 4 లో ఫస్ట్ క్వశ్చన్ డిస్కస్ చేద్దాం. Only 4 questions are there in level 4. Let us discuss level 4 in the chapter tangents of normal, level 4. First question is very important and typical to discuss because it is a multi-conceptual question. Arihant book and Singh's book and సెపరేట్ ఎస్చాన్ బుక్ వీటిలన్నింటిలో చూసినట్టయితే ఒక్కొక్క ఆన్సర్ ఒక్కొక్క తీరుగా ఉంటుంది. ఏఐట్రిపుల్ 2012లో ఈ బిట్ ఇచ్చాడు. ఏఐట్రిపుల్ 2012లో ఈ బిట్ గురించి కొంచెం కాన్వర్సేషన్ నడిచాయి, డిస్కషన్స్ కూడా నడిచాయి. ఈ బిట్ నేను చెప్పింది రాసుకోండి. ఒక్కొక్క బుక్లో ఒక్కొక్క తీరుగా ఉంటుంది నా ఆన్సర్. ఈ బుక్ని నేను ప్రూఫ్ అని చెప్తాను, చెప్పిన తర్వాత అర్థం చేసుకుని మీరు రాసుకోండి నోట్స్. లెవెల్ 4 ఓన్లీ ఈ సమ్ గురించే లెవెల్ 4 డిస్కస్ చేస్తున్నాం. లెవెల్ 4 ట్యాంజెంట్స్ అండ్ నార్మల్. ఫస్ట్ క్వశ్చన్ స్టేట్మెంట్ 1. Statement 1, an equation of common tangent to parabola and ellipse. An equation of common tangent to parabola y square is equal to 16 root 3x. Y square equal to 16 root 3x and ellipse standardize చేస్తున్నాం. ellipse ఈ given 2x square plus y square equal to 4. 2x square plus y square equal to 4 ని స్టాండర్డైజ్ చేస్తే x square by 2 plus y square by 4 equal to 1. దానికి కామన్ ట్యాంజెంట్ ఈజ్ గివెన్ యాజ్ y is equal to 2x plus 2 root 3. y equal to 2x plus 2 root 3 is given. Statement 2, if the line y is equal to mx plus 4 root 3 by m is a common tangent to parabola y square equal to 16 root 3x and 2x square plus y square equal to 4, then m satisfies m power 4 plus 2m square equal to 24. అంత స్పీడ్గా చదివడానికి రీజన్ ఏంటంటే ఆల్రెడీ ఆ సమ్ అది ఆ ఫార్ములా యూజ్ చేసే నేను చేస్తాను. ఎవరైనా ఆ ఫార్ములా యూజ్ చేసి చేయాల్సిందే. ఏంటి సార్ ఫార్ములా? లెట్ us డిస్కస్ ఫార్ములా. ఇన్ దిస్ కాన్సెప్ట్ I said that general tangent of hyperbola, general tangent of parabola need, general tangent. So whenever a line y is equal to mx plus c touches the parabola, I said the condition c is equal to a by m. So general tangent of parabola we can write as y is equal to mx plus a by m. Y is equal to mx plus a by m. Next line, next form, this is the first formula. Second formula I am writing here. A line y is equal to mx plus c touches. I mean, if a line is a tangent to ellipse, a line y is equal to mx plus c touches an ellipse. ఒక లైన్ ఎలిప్స్ని టచ్ చేస్తే then the condition of tangency అంటే ఆ లైన్ ట్యాంజెంట్ కావడానికి కండిషన్ ఆఫ్ ట్యాంజెన్సీ ఈజ్ సి స్క్వేర్ ఈజ్ ఈక్వల్ టు ఏ స్క్వేర్ ఎం స్క్వేర్ ప్లస్ బి స్క్వేర్. ఫర్ ఎవ్రీథింగ్ యూ విల్ బి లెర్నింగ్ ప్రూఫ్ ఇన్ సెకండ్ ఇయర్. సి స్క్వేర్ ఈజ్ ఈక్వల్ టు ఏ స్క్వేర్ ఎం స్క్వేర్ ప్లస్ బి స్క్వేర్. Here let us draw the rough diagram. This is the ellipse and this is the general parabola. It's the common tangent. This one, common tangent. Y is equal to mx plus a by m is there. Here you can write the parabola y square is equal to general parabola for y square equal to 4ax. Then you can write here 4 into 4 root 3 into x. Here you can write a is equal to 4 root 3. Here this is a square is equal to 2 and b square is equal to 4. If you write small a square you may get confused. That is why put here the names capital A square and capital B square. Now y is equal to, using one general tangent of parabola, that this is equation 1 and this is equation 2. General tangent I am writing y is equal to mx plus general tangent, name of parabola, general tangent of parabola, general tangent of 1 is equal to y is equal to mx plus a by m. I am saying what is a here? 4 root 3 by m means m, simply you put y is equal to mx plus a by m. Let it be equation as in the form of y is equal to mx plus c. Let c is equal to 4 root 3 by m. I am discussing about ellipse. For ellipse, to get ellipse tangency of condition I am writing. For ellipse, you use the formula c square is equal to a square m square plus b square. What is c square here means 4 root 3 by m whole square. 4 root 3 by m whole square is equal to a square. There we got 2. Students, no need to get confused. Here I divided with 4, then we got x square by 2 plus y square by 4. Then a square m square, what is the value of a? A square is 2, that's all. Simply you write 2m square plus what is the value of b square? 4. Now you can say that 4 root 3 whole square becomes 48. 16 3s are 48 is equal to this m square taken this side, it becomes 2m power 4 plus 4m square. If you divide the two terms LHS and RHS with 2, you will be getting 2, no need to write 2, m power 4 here, m power 4 plus 2m square, m power 4 plus 2m square equal to 24. Now you can easily understand that using this formula he given the tangent. Now you read the question. Second statement you read, if the line y is equal to mx plus 4 root 3 by m is a common tangent to the parabola y square equal to 16 root 3x and the ellipse 2x square plus y square equal to 4, then m satisfies m power 4 plus 2m square equal to 24. Exactly it satisfied. Using this formula only we have done. So we can say that this is true. Next, what is the question? Statement 1 he given an equation of common tangent to parabola y square equal to 16 root 3x and ellipse 2x square plus y square equal to 4 is y is equal to 2x plus 2 root 3. Okay, we can discuss what is there. What is the value of 2? Okay, 2. Let us consider this one as now m power 4. M power 4 plus 2m square minus 20. You can write here plus 6m square plus 6m square minus 4m square minus 24 equal to 0. M square you take it common, then you can write here m square plus 6 and a minus 4m square you take here, then it becomes n square plus 6 equal to 0. Then you can write m square is equal to 4 only, m square equal to minus 6 you should not consider, that is equal to m is equal to plus or minus 2. If you substitute this one in 1 here, y equal to mx plus 4 root 3 by m, if you put that implies m is equal to 2, you substitute in the general tangent, let it be equation 3. From 3 you write here, from 3 you will be getting y is equal to 2x plus 4 root 3 by 2, what you will be getting? 2 root 3. It's okay. Next, if you put y is equal to minus 2x. Minus 2x minus 2 root 3. It is also a tangent because tangent may be positive side or negative side. To calculate, to verify this one, using this equation, this one, if you take this one as a c square is equal to a square m square plus b square. What is c square? 2 root 3 whole square is 12 is equal to what is a square here? 2. M square means 4. Let us consider 2 root 3 whole square. Verification I am saying. C square is equal to a square m square plus b square. 2 root 3 whole square is equal to 2 into 2 square plus 4. So 2 root 3 whole square is equal to 12. 2 into 2 square 8 plus 4 equal to 12. So it is exactly right. If you take minus also you will be getting, instead of minus he given plus. There is no question of instead, he given plus, that's all, it is true. So statement 1 is true and statement 2 is true. Statement 2 is correct explanation of statement 1. మీరు అరిహంట్ బుక్లో చూస్తే స్టేట్మెంట్ 2 ఈజ్ నాట్ కరెక్ట్ ఎక్స్ప్లెనేషన్ అండ్ స్టేట్మెంట్ 1 2 బోత్ ఆర్ ట్రూ అని ఉంటుంది. అదే సింగేజ్ బుక్లో చూస్తే స్టేట్మెంట్ 2 ఈజ్ ట్రూ అండ్ స్టేట్మెంట్ 1 ఈజ్ ఫాల్స్ ఉంటుంది. అదే ఇంకొక సెపరేట్ బుక్లో చూసినట్టయితే స్టేట్మెంట్ 1 ఈజ్ ఎగ్జాక్ట్లీ ఫాల్స్ అని ఉంటుంది. యు ఫాలో వాట్ ఐ సెడ్. ఈ AEEE 2012లో ఈ క్వశ్చన్, సిస్టమ్ ఆఫ్ సర్కిల్లో ఒక క్వశ్చన్, ఎలిప్స్లో ఒక క్వశ్చన్, మొత్తం 3 క్వశ్చన్స్ కరెక్ట్గా డిస్కషన్ వచ్చేలాగా, మిస్టేక్ వచ్చేలాగా ఇచ్చి ఉన్నాడు. మీతో స్టూడెంట్స్తో డైరెక్ట్గా నేను ఇంకోసారి డిస్కస్ చేస్తాను. దిస్ ఈజ్ 2. అంటే ఇక్కడ స్టేట్మెంట్ 1 స్టేట్మెంట్ 2 బోత్ ఆర్ ట్రూ, ఏ ఆప్షన్ అయితే పెట్టుకోవచ్చు. నెక్స్ట్ లెవెల్ 4లో సెకండ్ క్వశ్చన్. లెవెల్ 4లో సెకండ్ క్వశ్చన్, ఇఫ్ ద కార్డ్ జాయినింగ్, అది ఆల్రెడీ చెప్పేశాను. లెవెల్ 3లో 20th క్వశ్చన్. లెవెల్ 4లో సెకండ్ క్వశ్చన్లో సెకండ్ వన్ డిస్కస్ చేద్దాం. లెవెల్ 4 సెకండ్ క్వశ్చన్, సెకండ్ వన్. సెకండ్ క్వశ్చన్లో ఫస్ట్ వన్ కంప్లీటెడ్. అక్కడ మనకి ఆన్సర్ ఆల్ఫా బి ప్లస్ క్యూ బై 2 వచ్చింది, అంటే అక్కడికి 1 ఈజ్ ట్రూ. లెవెల్ 4 సెకండ్ క్వశ్చన్ 1 ఈజ్ ట్రూ. వీ కెన్ కన్క్లూజింగ్ యాజ్ లెవెల్ 3 20th క్వశ్చన్. లెవెల్ 3 20 క్వశ్చన్ ప్రకారం లెవెల్ 4 చెప్పేశాం. ఇందులో సెకండ్ స్టేట్మెంట్, లెంత్ ఆఫ్ సబ్ టాంజెంట్ ఆఫ్ కర్వ్ y ఈజ్ ఈక్వల్ టు e పవర్ x బై m. LST ఆఫ్ length of subtangent of y is equal to e power x by m. Length of subtangent formula y by y dash. Here y dash is derivative, you write here e power x by m into 1 by m. Now he is saying that at x is equal to m he is asking. Now you write at x is equal to m. At x is equal to m, y becomes m e power m by m, e మాత్రమే. At x is equal to m mod m given. Y dash is equal to e by m. Here y is equal to simply e. So that implies at x is equal to m I am discussing y by y dash LST is equal to e by m. E get cancelled, m mod m పెట్టచ్చు. లెంత్ పాజిటివ్ అని చెప్పడం కోసం అసలు mod m పెట్టారు. So here 1 is true, already discussed. 2 is also true. 1 is true, 2 is true. So both 1 and 2 are true. Next let us discuss third question. Third question lo మనం already discussed. Level 3 third question has 21. Level 3 21. ఇక్కడ third question level 3 21. Level 3 21లో స్టేట్మెంట్ 1 అయిపోయింది, అక్కడ 1 స్క్వేర్ యూనిట్ వచ్చింది. లెవెల్ 3 21. సో 1 ఈజ్ ట్రూ. సో సెకండ్ కోసం మనం డిస్కస్ చేయాలి. ఇక్కడ y ఈజ్ ఈక్వల్ టు సైన్ ఎక్స్. y ఈజ్ ఈక్వల్ టు సైన్ ఎక్స్ అండ్ ఎక్స్ స్క్వేర్ ప్లస్ y ఈజ్ ఈక్వల్ టు ఎక్స్ స్క్వేర్ వై స్క్వేర్ హీ గివెన్. y the points of contact of tangents drawn from origin to y is equal to sin x lie on the curve x square y square equal to x square plus y square. This is ellipse concept. Points of contact of tangents drawn from origin నుంచి దీనికి sin x పాయింట్ ఆఫ్ కాంటాక్ట్ డ్రా చేస్తే y is equal to sin x కర్వ్ ఇలా ఉంటుంది. y is equal to sin x కి origin points of contact of tangents drawn from origin నుంచి tangents డ్రా చేస్తే ఇట్లా origin నుంచి పాయింట్స్ tangents డ్రా చేస్తే ఏమవుతుందంటే from which the above is correct. So first of all derivative చేద్దాం. dy by dx, dy by dx is equal to cos x. dy by dx is equal to cos x రాద్దాం. y is equal to sin x అని తీసుకుందాం. y is equal to sin x lies on x square y square is equal to x square plus y square అన్నాడు. ఆరిజిన్ నుంచి cos x తీసుకుందాం. dy by dx తీస్తే cos x వచ్చింది. ఆరిజిన్ నుంచి tangents రాయాలంటే y is equal to mx. ఆరిజిన్ నుంచి పోయే లైన్ y is equal to mx తీసుకుంటే y is equal to mx తీసుకుంటే m is equal to 1 తీసుకుంటే cos x is equal to 1 అంటే x is equal to 0, sin is equal to 0. కరెక్ట్. 0 0 తీసుకుంటాం. 0 0 నుంచి sin తీసుకుంటే dy by dx is equal to cos x at 0, 0 y is equal to 1. ఇక్కడ dy by dx is equal to 1. dy by dx is equal to 1 వచ్చిందంటే m is equal to 1. Whenever m is equal to 1, we can say that equation of tangent is passing through 0 0 is a line, y is equal to x. If you substitute in 1 we get, from 1 we can write here y place లో x రాయండి అంటే x square plus x square is equal to x square into x square. You can write here 2x square equal to x power 4. Wrong. No number is possible. So if you take common x square, 2 minus x square equal to 0, therefore x equal to 0 or x equal to 2. X equal to 0 or x equal to 2 అంటే y is equal to x పెడితే అక్కడ ఇచ్చిన క్వశ్చన్ ప్రకారం చూద్దాం. which are the following, then lies on x square y square equal to x square plus y square. If you put x is equal to 0, y is equal to 1, 0 plus 1, 0, not possible. 2 substitute చేయండి, 2 square plus 1 square, 3 square, 2 square into 1 square, not possible. No, అంటే not possible. What is not possible here? ఏంటి not possible అంటే ఇది పాసిబుల్ అవ్వట్లేదు అంటే 2 is wrong, 2 is wrong, 2 is false, right? 2 is false. So only 1 is correct. Level 4th lo last question, 4th question. Level 4 lo 4th question, the angle between the curves. The angle between the curves x square plus y square is equal to root 2a square. X square plus y square is equal to root 2a square, and x square minus y square is equal to a square. Level 4 lo 4th question. Curves చూద్దాం. x square plus y square is equal to root 2a square. Let it be first equation. Next second one, x square minus y square equal to a square. Let it be second equation. Angle between the two curves. We did not discuss about point of intersection. Point of intersection చెప్పలేదు. రెండు యాడ్ చేయండి. రెండు యాడ్ చేస్తే 2x square is equal to a square కామన్ తీసుకుంటే root 2 plus 1 వస్తుంది. x square is equal to a square into root 2 plus 1 by 2. x is equal to plus తీసుకుందాం a into root of root 2 plus 1 by 2. నీట్గా ఇందులో సబ్స్టిట్యూట్ చేద్దాం అంటే పాయింట్ ఆఫ్ ఇంటర్సెక్షన్ రావాలి. పాయింట్ ఆఫ్ ఇంటర్సెక్షన్ రావాలంటే ఫ్రమ్ 1 x square is equal to a square into root 2 plus 1 by 2 plus y square is equal to root 2a square. This one taken that side, y square is equal to root 2a square, root 2a square minus a square into root 2 plus 1 whole by root 2 plus 1 whole by 2. Now we can write here y square is equal to 2 root 2a square, 2 root 2a square minus a square into root 2 minus a square whole by 2. 2 root 2 minus root 2 అంటే root 2 అంటే this can be written as root 2a square minus a square by 2. So y is equal to, you can write here a into root of root 2 minus 1 by 2. Root 2 minus 1 by 2. Point of intersection we got. Root of root 2 plus 2 root 2 అయితే cos 22.5 వస్తుంది. షార్ట్ కట్ ఉండొచ్చు 22.5 45 అవ్వచ్చు. Let us discuss. a into root 2 minus 1 by 2. ఇప్పుడు పాయింట్ ఆఫ్ ఇంటర్సెక్షన్ p you write a into root of root 2 plus 1, a into root of root 2 plus 1 by 2, comma a into root of root 2 minus 1 by 2. Now diff 1 both sides. So to calculate the angle between two curves, we should differentiate both sides. 2x plus 2y by dash equal to 0. With 2 you divide, y dash is equal to minus x and y dash is equal to minus x by y. Using the points slope m1 I am writing minus x by y. A and a will be getting cancelled, minus of, you can write full root. You write here root 2 plus 1 by root 2 minus 1. So m1 is equal to minus of. Now you can rationalize here. So root 2 plus 1 into root 2 plus 1 by 1 here. What is the value of root 2 plus 1 whole square over root? It becomes root 2 plus 1. Root 2 plus 1 into root 2 plus 1 becomes root 2 plus 1 whole square. So square and root will be getting cancelled. You will be getting here m1 value minus of root 2 plus 1. First derivative completed and m1 we got. Now we can write differentiating to both sides, we may get 2x minus 2y dy by dx is equal to 0. So here you can say that y dash is equal to x by y. So slope m2 I am writing here, slope m2 is equal to, using the same value, root this one minus, there is no minus, root 2 plus 1 by root 2 minus 1 along with root 2 plus 1 by root 2 minus 1. If we do multiplication, same value we get without minus, I mean rationalization, we get root 2 plus 1. Now using the formula, angle between two curves is tan theta. Okay students, tan theta is equal to, using the formula m1 minus m2, we can write here, what is the value of m1? Minus root 2 minus 1, minus m2 also root 2 minus 1. Here 1 plus m1 into, instead of plus here minus is there, then you should write here minus of root 2 plus 1 into root 2 plus 1. So tan theta is equal to, that is equal to minus root 2 minus root 2, it becomes minus 2 root 2 minus 2 whole by 1 minus of, using the formula a plus b whole square, root 2 plus 1 whole square. Tan theta is equal to, you write minus 2 root 2 minus 2 whole by 1 minus, this is root 2 whole square, 1 minus 2 and minus 2 root 2 and minus 1. Minus 1 and 1 will be getting cancelled. You can write here tan theta is equal to minus 2 root 2 minus 2 by minus 2 root 2 minus 2. It will be got cancelled, then tan inverse 1. Tan inverse 1 is theta equal to pi by 4. ఇంతటితో మనకు level 4 complete అయింది. Tomorrow we can discuss dot product chapter. Lengthy chapter, length of tangents and normal కంప్లీట్ చేసాం. అందరూ నోట్స్ రాసుకోండి. ఓకే.